Sanskriti, and this Hindu word came from the river Sindhu back thousands of years before, when our great grandparents happened to live in a particular geographical area in northern part of India, and they cultivated a lifestyle named specifically because of the river Sindhu. We are named Hindus by British who cannot pronounce the word Sindhu. So this is how the word Hindu came, and everybody started thinking that our religion is the same as Hindu culture. But friends, our religion is Sanatan Dharma, or eternal religion. In philosophy, in theory, it is not a Hindu religion, it is an eternal religion. Sanatan Dharma we belong to, and we are proud of it. But in general, we always say Hindu religion, that is equally fine. Now, this Hindu religion or Hindu culture has two aspects: material culture and spiritual culture. Back home, when we were very young, like 4th grade student, 5th grade student, I know I learned from the teachers that Hindu culture means we be happy because our own nature is happiness, whereas the material culture calls for happiness only through the gain of the worldly objects. So we are placed in a way that we are truly a Hindus, trying to be happy through our own nature, and we impart this happiness through the value-based teaching to young children through a Balavihar activities. I really thank all the teachers who are helping teach young children the values of life through the moral stories from the Ramayana, from the Bhagavatam. We are all proud of you. I also thank parents who brought their children for the talent show, because as I said, our Hindu culture is full of color and talent, unmatched with other culture. We should be taking pride of it. As far as the parents are concerned, as I said, we are fortunate to take birth in a Hindu culture wherein we be able to hold the Bhagavad Gita in our hands. If I give you, or if we give a gift to another cultural person who is belonging to other than Hindu culture, he may take it, but he will not open the Bhagavad Gita because there is no inherent faith in him. Whereas we have inherent faith in our religion, in our culture, in our belief in the God, and that's why we are coming to an institution of Vedanta teaching. So, excuse me. So, my request to one and all is that the Chinmaya mission is not only for the children, but it is for the parents as well. And that's why every Sunday morning I insist to attend the Vedanta class, because this institution is meant for study of the Shastras, so systematically put together by the Holiness Swami Chinmayanandaji, and we should take proud of our being in Chinmaya mission, attending every Sunday these spiritual sessions. So we are in the school campuses, and we want to be having our classes in our own building. When we came from India, we started living in an apartment. But soon we realized the suffocation or limitations on the apartment living. We bought the beautiful homes and started enjoying living in a beautiful homes. Now we have only couple hours every Sunday attending this Bala Vihar, Vedanta class for the parents. But 2 hours is not enough. We need to have more time, relaxed environment. We want to put programs, often little more time on other time like Saturdays, weekdays in the evening for cultural program like this and many other facets of our Hindu culture. So we need our own building. Blessed we are. We have bought beautiful land in Harleysville. I'm sure most of you may have seen, and those who may not have seen, I invite you all to please go and see our beautiful site. Again, fortunate we are that the township has approved our project for 20,000 square feet area building. It will be a monument in Delaware County, in Delaware Valley, and we all should take pride of having this project being actualized by our everybody's cooperation and God's bless, Guruji's blessings. Will be forwarding and will be putting together our efforts to start construction next year. And as far as the building size, as I said, it's 20,000 square feet area construction, and it will have 2 floors, downstairs and upstairs. Upstairs in the middle, as you see, there is going to be a Lord Rama temple. On the right will be a Chinmaya hall, or what we call a Satsanga hall, with the stage for our young children to perform on the stage, as well as listening the talk by visiting acharyas, by our own DVD playing and talk by local acharyas to listen. So we will have a Satsanga hall. On the left of the Ramalaya temple would be cultural hall to enhance and promote Hindu culture. So enchanting. We are all proud of it, and I'm sure all of you enjoyed. Our young talented children put together the cultural show to enjoy for us. So we should take proud of it, and we must promote, and that's why we have a cultural hall, come yoga hall on the left hand side, and downstairs we will have dozen Bala Vihar classroom equipped with amenities we need to impart teaching values of life to all young children. So when they turn to be graduate in school, colleges, we should be taking proud of what they have studied from our Bala Vihar learning. So we will have bookstall also, we'll have kitchen, dining hall, have the facility. So I request, and you will come to know what we need is your financial support. You can donate as much you can, but you can tell your friends, the family you know, to support this project, because it's not individual project, but it's our project. Take that way, and you see the ideas will materialize into a building, and I am sure we have support from every family for our beautiful project named Ramalaya by His Holiness Swami Tejovainandaji on May 19, 2012. And we have now come together, more children in number, and I expect more to come in the next few months. So we will have good strength to support, to teach, and eventually parents supporting what we are doing for construction of our great project Chinmaya Ramalaya. I am proud of you. I thank you one and all that have come together to put together this beautiful Chinmaya Tarang program, and will display the program in another institution So other institutions would come to know the greatness of Chinmay Mission Harleston. Thank you and Hari Om.
Thank you, Chandubai. We will get into the program quickly. We have the next performance, Art of Yoga by Ayush Shakti and Sharan. And can somebody please switch off the lights in the auditorium so that